What's up, traders? Let's do a full top down analysis of Aussie dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, before I begin the full analysis, I invite you to join my free Telegram channel. The link is below this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. Let's begin with monthly time frame. You might say, well, we will not trade on monthly, then why do we need to look at the monthly? Because monthly time frame will give you a direction in the market, because when you see the lower time frame, even if you are trading on 15 minutes 5 minutes time, there is a lot of noise. You cannot see the clear trend direction and the important support and resistance levels. So when you look at the higher time frame, then you can see the direction. Once you found the direction, you can look at the candlestick pattern or any kind of pattern that is tells in your strategy, so that you can make a profit from your trade. With that said, let's start with monthly time frame. Now on the monthly Aussie dollar, without any question, in a downtrend. Now, first of all, let's see overall picture, the market structure, which is only the reliable source where you can find the direction of a trend. So starting from this move, this is the move when it started. There was a pandemic started, big impulse correction, impulse. Now in this impulse, what you saw, there is a lot of consolidation. So remember, when an instrument changes its trend, it first consolidate for a very long period of time before changing its trend. So because we see a big consolidation, and maybe there is a head and shoulder on the lower time frame, you can see in this zone, and then the Aussie dollar broke to the downside. That is the change of from uptrend to the downtrend, followed by this green candle, which is a retracement of this move. Now we see another strong move to the downside. Remember, trading is not a business, it's a game. So when you see a game, you need to always look at who is, you know, carrying more points or more goal or more score. So what you see, these red candles, look at this, how many strong red candles, and look at the green candles, they are weaker. So that is the sign of that the buyers are weak in this market, sellers always on the driving seat. So in this case, we can expect to sell only this market. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. Before I go back to the weekly, let's consider another aspect. This is the last monthly candle. You see, this is a strong bearish engulfer, cross the high, cross the low, created lowest price possible. Now after this kind of bearish engulfer this month, we see a retracement, and from here we can expect another push to the downside to create, maybe, at least to this level, or making any move to the downside, because you see there is a important level of support and resistance here. If you look at the past, there is a resistance here. Now it acted as a support. Now before this coming to this support, we still have a gap to fill, so we can expect a trading opportunity to the downside from here. Now let's jump on to weekly time frame. Now see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now on the weekly, this is a clearly defined bearish market, creating a series of lower high and lower low. So now current week is, almost over, but what we see that in this current week, let's see what kind of price action it has created after this, a red move to the downside. This week we see the price went up as expected. Now let's see that there is a now resistance here. You see there is a green candle here, the long weak candle. This is now providing as resistance of this move to the upside. From this resistance, we can expect now to price to drop, including this week and, upcoming week. So let's see on the daily time frame how we can find a trading opportunity. Now you see there is a this blue line is what is 20 period moving average. Now the price is rejecting from this 20 period moving average, so there is a huge confluence here. As you see, this is a resistance, this dotted line. followed by a 20 period moving average, back to back 3 days up. Now from here we might see slowly coming to the downside, so we have a lot of confluence for the shorting opportunity from here. Going to the 4 hour or intraday time frame, this is where we will make our trading decision. As you see that on the 4 hour also we see a pin bar rejected from this very very important level of resistance, and from here we can expect this price to drop. Now this is what we are doing with our student. We are now going short from this zone with high risk to reward ratio, keeping our stop loss above this high, as this candle, after closing of this candle, satisfies the rules of our strategy. Thank you for watching. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. When you leave a comment, this idea is more visible in search engine. That's helpful for this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.